So starting some work this evening with a walk out to the old parts truck to check out how something is on the old one. Woo, it's cold. Okay, here she sits. And what we're trying to figure out is how this gasket is situated across the top of the hood. And guess what? It's missing. Bummer. Okay, well, it's cold. Time to get back to the shop. Yeah, so Terry was just saying, here's the profile of the gasket that runs back through there. And we can't imagine that we would be running a gasket, a nail, which is what holds these things on, through this portion. So that's got to go through that one.
Dad,
so we lay that guy down here.
I'm gonna look for
And then
gasket.
You're gonna look for gaskets?
Yeah, I'm gonna look for gasket on
Okay.
here.
Be careful.
Okay.
And
Get nice and greasy, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
it's amazing. This was just put on there however they could get it put on, you know.
However they could drive the
See,
nails.
look
How
at the nails.
just look at that. You're right. There's a there's a whole half-inch in there's one back there. So good luck for us trying to find those holes again, because I don't want to punch new
I
ones.
would almost instead of
You almost want to glue it.
glue it down, you know.
Yeah.
Put a double adhesive and make it look pretty across this.
Double thick adhesive,
Yeah.
have it nice and smooth and spread. And
Daddy, do gaskets have
yeah.
one really wide flat piece and then a little one and then a tiny one that's octagon shaped?
Probably not.
Okay, then I'm not looking at one.
Okay.
Okay, so how far are you on?
I'm 2.5 fingers.
Okay, how's that?
You probably come back my way there, split the
Okay.
difference.
But I'd set that dude down right there on that.
Right on that ridge,
on
let
that
it catch
ridge,
that.
just like that.
Yeah, and we don't have any holes open on the backside from there. There's a couple nail holes that we'll want to fill.
See, that would be.
Yeah, it's that back nail hole here. So maybe what we need to do before we do that is to fill silicone
Dad,
those,
look at me.
and then we can grease that, and then we can just glue it wherever
and
we
keep
need
your
it.
nails. I got that knocked out.
Dad.
Keep your
Yeah.
nails if you ever wanted to nail them
Hi,
down.
Dad.
Okay, if it ever starts to wiggle loose.
But I just
Yeah.
I can't.
Oh yeah. So what we just got done is fixing what was wrong with the factory replacement light switch. What was
and we
happening?
Got the brakes fueled.
Yeah, here's the old one, and it's got a rheostatic switch here for your dome light. Well, the brand new one, there's a little plastic disc in here that grabs that was off, and it wouldn't spin with the triangular rod. So that had to get pressed back together, and then we were able to get it to spin right. So Terry and I've been working on that for a little bit. Terry figured out what was wrong. We got it fixed. We're getting it all put back together, and we still have to have 3 bushings on the back side of the dash panel to get it to space right and tighten down. So American Auto Wire's got a little bit of a quality control issue with that little light switch. They don't have enough thread depth for it to grab and get tight. So
Every day is getting closer to getting the truck done.
He's right. We are. We got the brake pedal in. We got the emergency brake in. Choke cable, hood hinges on. You saw us greasing up and getting ready for the hood rubber there. Got more to do on the wiring still, of course, but we also cleaned out the brake cylinder and got it all hooked up. So we're making progress, right, buddy? Yeah. All right, we're going to finish tightening this up, and then it's curly-headed one's bath time, and time to get back heading north. So everybody else out there, good luck with your projects. We still got a lot of work to do on mine.